forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, it is a cold start out there on this Monday morning, dealing with a few clouds here in Lexington first thing. We'll see those decrease as the morning goes on. Even a few flakes flying for some of us. I'll show you that on radar in just a second. 24 out at Bluegrass Airport right now with that feels like temperature down into the teens, feeling like more like 14 here in the city. So still very cold this morning. We have a cold front that's working through the area as we speak. That's what's bringing a few of these flurries, and it's going to help drop back temperatures even more, especially overnight tonight. So as we go back into Franklin, Anderson County, maybe dealing with a few flakes flying. Same story up across northern portions of the viewing area, back up into northern Kentucky. Anything that falls should be very light. It really doesn't look like a big deal, but this morning, especially across our central and northern Kentucky counties, could see a few flakes flying before the cold front passes through here. But behind this front, much colder air that is rushing in, especially overnight tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. It is turning bitter cold out there for us as the cold front sweeps through. So as the day goes on as well, we'll see clouds decrease. We'll be dealing with some of that cloud cover this morning and then some sunshine by afternoon and in through this evening before the sun goes down. We remain mostly clear overnight tonight. That will really allow those temperatures to plummet where it's feeling like below zero, those wind chills sub-zero. And then also, again, temperatures will actually be in the single digits. So very cold out there. And again, as we go into your Tuesday, dealing with some sunshine as well. So not too bad. It's just bitter cold. The sunshine, though, will be deceiving out there, not only today and this afternoon and evening, but especially tomorrow when it is even colder out there. And then we have the chance for maybe some rain, snow showers in here by the time we get into Wednesday. Right now, it doesn't look like a big deal, but a possibility. So the next big thing continues to be the Arctic blast that's in place, especially as we go into the overnight tonight and into tomorrow. We finally get a break in it on Wednesday when temperatures will climb a little bit for us. But by the time we head into the weekend, it looks like it turns bitter cold once again, so it doesn't last long. Cold weather advisory in effect pretty much along and north of the I-64 corridor here and across northern Kentucky as well. That goes into effect tonight at 10 o'clock. It remains in effect through tomorrow morning for those bitter cold temperatures. Let's talk about the wind chills. Feeling like single digits to teens as we go throughout the day today. But then notice overnight tonight and first thing tomorrow morning, wind chills below zero. We're talking about from 0 to -5 is what that feels like temperature will be as you head out the door tomorrow morning. And then we get a little bit of a breather, feeling like the teens by afternoon. So a little bit better, but still bitter cold out there tomorrow. So today, 26 for an afternoon high, a mix of sun and clouds, cold and breezy. That's the other story. Winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour, so creating that wind chill as well. Tonight, down to 7. That's it. Mostly clear and bitter cold temperatures with those wind chills feeling like below zero by tomorrow morning. Here's your 7-day forecast. It looks like this. Cold today, a frigid start tomorrow. A few rain, snow showers in here on Wednesday, and then all eyes turn to this weekend when it is bitter cold out there for us once again, and also the potential for a winter storm for someone. Now, I do think a lot of the area could see a little bit of snow here Saturday into Sunday. Again, still to be determined, still monitoring that system with the potential for a winter storm for someone across our area. Still a lot of fine tuning to do to that forecast, Fosse, so we'll continue to watch it in the next little bit.